Every time I come here, I never look good. Honestly, I think we can make it work.
More I go for it, and more I'm just like, oh. So today our challenge is to pick up a candy, and this candy will give us the color that we need to do our makeup with.
We are first gonna start with foundation. Let's hope we get a good color for this one.
Ready?
I'm ready. Okay. Ooh, okay. Orange, yellow. Oh!
Difficulty is the same. Okay.
Okay, well, let's start with this. Honestly, I feel like by the end of this, we're gonna look kind of like, you know, the Doja Cats. But honestly, if we get good colors, it could be a vibe. Are you gonna go down on your neck or are you just gonna stick to your face?
That's a good question. I mean, I guess it's better if I look like an alien directly without any, like, human skin, so I guess I will do everything.
Oh, wow. I don't know if I'm that devoted, honestly. Every time I come here, I never look good. Honestly, I think we can make it work.
More I go for it, and more I'm just like, oh.
I kind of look like I'm gonna be playing in The Lion King, honestly.
Yeah, true. We're gonna have this challenge good. And we will be like alien Barbies.
Ooh, like that. Okay, let's go to the next step, which is contour.
Contour.
Okay.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
So, contour color.
Red. Oh, okay, that could work.
Definitely work. I'm so happy.
Okay, I feel like I'm
Your
gonna
turn.
get a terrible color.
Yellow.
Let's pretend this is gonna work.
It will work.
I'm slightly disgusted because this color is about the same as my highlighter, my concealer that I've done. So it's gonna be a bit complicated.
Be confident, be confident.
It's not gonna be a real contour.
I love because it's in between the blusher.
Yeah, it's kind of a contour blush color for you, I feel like.
Blending, blending.
Always blending. But everything's blending together now, look. Everything looks the same.
No, we can see something soft
Okay.
appearing. We're sunsets.
Yeah, see, exactly.
We're missing of sun in Paris those days, so that's perfect.
We're bringing it back, honey. Okay, well, I think I'm done.
Me too.
Okay, wow, we look flawless. Next step is eyeshadow.
Dun, 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 dun. I'm so stressed. Red! Again!
You're gonna get a monochromatic look by the end of this. Okay, make it good, guys. Make
Praying
it
for
good
blue.
blue. Are you kidding me? Someone is trying to ruin this.
That's inspiring. So personally, I begin with an eye primer.
Okay, wow, doing the whole thing.
I mean, it's red. It will be very hard to get a strong intensity of colors. Oh, yeah, great. I have the strength that I wanted.
Going for a little graphic color.
How is it going for you?
It's pretty good for now. Well, I just started adding my darker color. So what I like to do is that I start with a graphic line to bring up my eye, and then the darker color I'm gonna bring back in the crease, and then I'm gonna blend it out with a lighter color.
Okay, so I guess we will have the same shape.
Ooh, okay. We're going for some Pat McGrath here. Hello.
I have to make a dark red, which is not easy.
But it's working, honestly. It's
Yeah?
working really well.
All right.
Yeah, I think we're done. I think we did a pretty good job.
You
look
did.
good.
So now it's time for eyebrows, right?
Oh, God.
Okay, I suggest you something.
Okay.
I pick one, but it will be for you.
Okay.
And you pick mine.
Okay. Oh, I hope I pick a bad one for you, honestly. We
I'll
need to
do
bring
my
you down a little bit. You're
best.
looking too good right
No,
now,
no,
so.
no.
Make it be green. Oh, blue. Oh, okay, blue.
Well, sounds good. Sounds
Okay.
good. What would you like?
Honestly, anything. I'm at a point where whatever.
Blue.
Oh, we're
Again.
matching. Yay!
I hate my eyebrows, so I will have to find like a trick to make it interesting.
Okay. This is so weird for me because I'm used to going so softly on my brows, and I
Me
feel like
too.
it's so harsh right now.
I don't even do it.
Yeah, the blue wasn't the best color for you, I feel.
Yeah, on top of the yellow, it's kind of like
It's not
so
the
strong.
best.
Okay, let me go with like a light blue eyeshadow.
Okay, let's go in. It's good. I feel like it's fun that we are on the same color for once. What do we think?
Nice.
Yeah?
I mean, and soft.
So now let's go for mascara.
Wait.
Okay.
Hopefully brown. Orange.
Orange
Oh,
again.
no.
Okay, I'm liking my complementary colors. I'm telling you guys, I don't know how to do anything else than my complementary colors.
Yellow.
Oh no. We both have the same color of mascara than our foundation.
Yeah. Lash color for me first because I don't have your lashes. Actually, mine, it works enough with mascara, but the thing is here, there's no yellow mascara.
Yeah.
So I'm going with flash color.
What I like to do with my mascara is I like to bring it right here to make sure it looks fully done.
I love this brush. It's so nice to be on the roots of your lashes. I look like the Mad Hatter. Okay, we're done with our beautiful, colorful lashes. The last step is lips. Fingers crossed for a nice color that will not break out everything.
Yes, please, like no green for her or me because honestly, it's just gonna ruin the whole thing.
Yeah,
no green.
No green, no green. Red.
Oh, okay. Well, red's a good lip color. No green and no orange, please. Oh, red. Okay.
Matchy matchy again.
Nice.
I'm just doing big lips to try to forget those eyebrows, okay? I try to do glamorous lips, but I don't know if glamour is the word for today.
I think I want to do something a bit fun and try to do kind of like different colors of red on my lips just so we can play with a bit more color, you know?
Of course. Deep red, let's go. I'm so tired to see all those colorful makeup. Okay, I'm done with the dark. But I'm very happy because this makes to forget a little bit my dark eyebrows. Don't you think?
Yeah, it's an actually really, really nice color. Love that on you.
Just bought it. I'm not sure it shows enough.
Okay, done.
Okay,
Oh,
brushes down.
brushes down, pencils down. Okay, let's see. Reveal. Ooh.
Nice.
We're kind of
Very soft.
matching. We're matching. I like that. Okay, nice.
I love that it makes us very white teeth. Just go with warm colors on your face and then you will have definitely like the brightest teeth you've ever had.
I like the fact that it's been a lot of complementary colors. I think we did a pretty good job with what we had.
We hope you had as much fun as we had doing this challenge.
We hope that you guys are going to recreate it at home, and if you do, don't forget to tag us.
And no cheating.
Okay guys, hope to see you soon.
Bye.